Let's understand when goods in transit are included in a purchaser's inventory. The question asks us to determine when goods in transit should be included in the purchaser's inventory. Let's first understand what FOB shipping point means. FOB stands for free on board. It's a shipping term that determines when the ownership and responsibility of goods transfers from the seller to the buyer. Let's visualize the shipping process. Here we have the seller's warehouse on the left and the buyer's warehouse on the right. The truck represents goods in transit between these locations. Under FOB shipping point terms, the ownership transfers to the buyer as soon as the goods leave the seller's warehouse. This means the buyer becomes responsible for the goods during transit. Therefore, since the buyer owns the goods as soon as they leave the seller's warehouse under FOB shipping point terms, these goods must be included in the buyer's inventory while in transit. This is different from FOB destination terms, where ownership only transfers when goods arrive at the buyer's location. In that case, goods in transit would not be included in the buyer's inventory. So, looking back at our multiple choice options, the correct answer is if the goods are shipped FOB shipping point. This is because ownership transfers at the shipping point, making the goods part of the buyer's inventory during transit.